channel Software Engineer. So today in this video we'll be learning about the different system design concepts that you can learn. So these are very important concepts as per the interview perspective. If you are targeting especially product based companies or companies with at least 20 LPA plus packages, so these are the very common data system design concepts that will be asked in the interviews. So I have prepared a sheet of concepts and you can refer this sheet. I'll be sharing this in the video description. I'll be listing out these topics one by one. For now in this video we'll be checking what are the different concepts present in the system design and what it does, why, with some simple examples so that you can relate with the concept. And later on in the next videos I'll be explaining in detail about the each video, each topic. So the core fundamental topics that includes scalability, availability, reliability, latency, throughput. You can check out, there are around 4 to 5 concepts that are very common, and why this topic is needed, why, with some simple examples so that you can relate. And after that there are database concepts like SQL, NoSQL. Most of them, if you are already familiar with the software engineering, you will be knowing what is SQL, NoSQL. Indexing, like why index is needed for faster retrieval of the query, how indexing works. We'll be covering this in the later video. How in a separate video I will be discussing each concepts more in depth with real-time examples and with the practical implementation. Sharding, replication, partitionings, ACID principles, cap theorem. So these are the database concepts that are important. And for performance optimization, when it comes to performance optimization, caching, CDN, compression, lazy loading, connection pooling, these are the concepts. And traffic handling concepts, load balancer, reverse proxy, like why do we use load balancer to handle if there are if the traffic has increased a lot for the application, so one server cannot handle the load, right? So we need to uh, distribute the load. So load balancer is used for that purpose. Reverse proxy, rate limiting, API gateway, auto scaling, how you scale, how you automatically add the servers so that you get the maximum throughput, and the application should not freeze or hang. It should work clearly without any delay. So auto scaling helps to add more servers to the system automatically, and when the traffic is less, it automatically removes the server. So we'll be covering in depth about these topics in the later video. For now I'll be just briefing about each topic and list of topics that you should focus on if you are preparing for system design interview. Distributed systems like message queues, event driven architecture, and eventual consistency, distributed locking, consensus algorithm, idempotency, and the architecture concepts. So there will be different architectures when you decide developing an application or building a system. You will either you will go with the monolithic architecture. Most commonly nowadays the microservice architecture is used. There are different architectures, clean architecture, design patterns are again used for the better use of classes, or it's a low level design basically. And there are few security concepts like authentication, authorization, encryption, JWT, OAuth. So how these are implemented and why these are needed, we'll be covering in the later videos. And there are monitoring concepts like logging, monitoring, alerting. So there are different applications like Grafana for logging, monitoring the application, circuit breakers, and observability. So these are the concepts that I have listed as per my knowledge. So if I get some more concepts that are really very useful in system design interviews, I'll be updating this sheet and I'll be updating the content. And so I am planning to create a system design playlist with videos related to system design concepts. So this is the first video. In this video we got a list of concepts that are helpful for covering your system design interviews. So in the later videos we can uh, explain in depth about the particular topic, and from there we'll build our base, and then we can try designing some of the systems, real life examples like YouTube, system design for YouTube, or chat application, payment gateway, payment applications, etc. So this is all for this video. We'll be meeting in the next video. So do like and share, subscribe this video if you find it helpful, and stay tuned for more concepts about the system design. I'll be uploading in the coming days. Thank you.